Hi students, Mr. Metelsky here. Just wanted to record a video on how to plot a line using the Desmos graphing calculator. So what you're going to do in order to get to the Desmos graphing calculator is type in desmos.com and it will pull up the main page, and you just want to click right here on the blue button towards the top middle. Now, in order to create a line in Desmos, we need to enter a table of points. And I have an example over here on the left-hand side. So I created a table, and these are my values. So I've ordered pairs 0, 2, 3, 3, 6, 4, and 9, 5. So if I wanted to plot these points, what I could do is I would go to the plus sign and click on table. And I could enter my points. So 0, 2. You can see right here, it's plotted, 0, 2. And we could keep going. 3, 3, 6, 4, and 9, 5. And you can actually click and drag so that you can see all the different points here. And you can change the settings if you wanted to, like maybe you didn't want the grid. Maybe you just wanted to show the points without all the smaller grid. And we need to actually draw the line here. So what we're going to do to draw the line is you're going to go over to this green dot right here and click and hold. And when you click and hold, it's going to bring up this option. And you're going to go to where it says lines and the toggle and toggle it on. And you see how it goes and connects all the points. Now, theoretically, a line goes on and on forever in both directions. So really, this line should continue to the left and continue up and to the right. And if you wanted to do that, you could continue entering data points. So like if you see the pattern here in the table, 0, 3, 6, 9, you can go 12, and then 15, and then 18. And then if you look at the pattern in the table, it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. And now you can see that it continues on. So it's up to you if you are interested in doing that. And then all you need to do is take a screenshot and you're set. So again, just a quick refresh. Click the plus sign, click table, enter your data points, click and hold on the dot, toggle the lines, and it'll create a line for you. If you have any questions, as always, let me know. Good luck.